Welcome to How to Draw Anything. Today we're drawing a butterfly in 8 simple steps. Grab a pencil and some paper and let's go. Step 1. Create the envelope. Start by sketching a large oval in the center of your paper. This will be the body of the butterfly. Then lightly draw 2 overlapping circles on each side of the oval to represent the wings. This step helps us establish the overall shape and size of the butterfly. Step 2. Find the center. Draw a vertical line down the middle of the oval to help keep the butterfly symmetrical. Then add horizontal lines across the circles to guide where the wings will attach to the body. These lines will help you maintain balance in your drawing. Step 3. Outline the contours. Now refine the contours of the butterfly by drawing smoother, more detailed outlines over the initial shapes. Follow the curves of the circles and oval, giving the wings their characteristic rounded edges and the body its tapering form. This step begins to bring the butterfly to life. Step 4. Add major features. Using the vertical and horizontal lines as guides, add the butterfly's head at the top of the oval and its antennae extending upwards. Lightly sketch the main patterns on the wings, such as large spots or bands. These elements are crucial for capturing the butterfly's unique appearance. Step 5. Detail the wings. Now focus on adding the intricate details to the wings. Draw smaller patterns and textures like dots and lines to enhance the design. This step adds depth and interest, making your butterfly look more realistic and vibrant. Step 6. Finalize with line weight. Finally, go over your drawing with a firmer hand to darken the main outlines and patterns. This step adds contrast and definition, making your butterfly stand out. Use varied line weight to emphasize different parts of the drawing, giving it a dynamic and finished look. Step 7. Add tone and shade. Time to learn tone. Decide where your light comes from and imagine it shining from the top left. Now shade the opposite side with the side of your pencil in soft, even layers. Shading is what makes your drawing feel round instead of flat. Step 8. Finishing touches. The last minute is where the magic happens. Press harder on the outer contour so it stands out, and keep the inside lines thin and soft. Add a few short strokes for texture, and give the drawing a soft shadow to sit on. And you're done. Well drawn! Want to turn your own photo into a lesson just like this one? Visit howtodrawanything.app. See you at the next drawing.